Hello, welcome to Astronautics for Exploit. This is Dr. Ayenshola Ogundele. Circular economy, a paradigm shift from linear take-make-dispose model to modern circular economy model. Circular economy is a model of resource production and consumption that involves sharing, leasing, reusing, repairing, refurbishing, and recycling existing materials and products for as long as possible. In 1966, Kenneth Boulding's paper titled The Economics of the Coming Spaceship Earth laid the foundation for the concept of a circular economy. In the paper, he contrasted a linear cowboy economy with a closed-loop system, spaceman economy. This framework highlights the need to move away from resource depletion and pollution towards a system that regenerates and reuses materials, mirroring the closed-loop system of spaceship. The cowboy economy is characterized by an open system with seemingly limitless resources, wasteful consumption, and disregard for pollution. The spaceman economy is a closed-loop system where resources are finite, and the focus is on minimizing waste, maximizing resource utilization, and maintaining a sustainable balance with the environment. Examples of circular economy are e-waste recycling, sustainable fashion, renewable energy, circular packaging, product as a service, sharing economy, remanufacturing, upcycling, composting, modular design, and a host of others. Through sharing economy, approaches such as car sharing, SIPCA, and home sharing, Airbnb, promote efficient use of resources by enabling individuals to share assets rather than owning them individually. Transitioning to solar, wind, and hydroelectric power reduces reliance on finite fossil fuels, aligning with the circular economy by using sustainable energy sources. The focus points are as follows: circular economy, evolution of circular economy, examples of circular economy, and challenges of transitioning to the circular economy. Circular economy is an economic system which is aimed at minimizing waste and maximizing resource utilization by keeping products and materials in use for as long as possible. It contrasts with the traditional linear take-make-dispose model by emphasizing reuse, repair, refurbishment, remanufacturing, and recycling. In a circular economy, a closed-loop system is created where materials are continuously cycled through the economy, minimizing reliance on virgin resources and reducing environmental impact. The picture here illustrates circular economic model. Global challenges. Circular economic concept is aimed at tackling global challenges such as climate change, biodiversity loss, waste, and pollution by emphasizing the design-based implementation of the three basic principles of the model. The main three principles required for transformation to a circular economy are designing out waste and pollution, keeping products and materials in use, and regenerating natural systems. The picture here illustrates previous recycling processes for transitioning to a circular economy in space. In a circular economy, business models play a crucial role in enabling shift from linear to circular processes. Various business models have been identified that support circularity, including product as a service, sharing platforms, and product life extension models, among others. Implementation of circular economy principles often requires new visions and strategies and the fundamental redesign of product concepts, service offerings, and channels towards long-life solutions. Industry 4.0 solutions for circular economy is shown in this word. Evolution of circular economy. The concept of industrial ecology, which views industry systems as analogous to natural ecosystems, emerged in the 1970s and 80s, emphasizing waste reduction and resource efficiency. Waterstide introduced the concept of cradle to cradle in opposition to the traditional cradle to grave linear model, and this highlights the importance of closed-loop systems. The picture here illustrates artificial intelligence-driven circular economy. Germany and Japan began linking circular economy principles with waste management and resource efficiency in the year 1990s. China integrated three areas, reduce, reuse, and recycle, into a sustainable development framework in the early 2000s. In of it, Internet of Things and the circular economy concept is illustrated in this picture. Rise of the circular economy as a global movement, 2010s up to the present. International think tanks and organizations, such as the Ellen MacArthur Foundation, started advocating for the circular economy during the year 2010s, and this led to the development of national plans and policies. Companies began to recognize economic benefits of circular practices, adapting their business models to incorporate principles such as product durability, repairability, and recyclability. Data science applications in circular economy is illustrated in this picture. The circular economy is now widely understood to be based on three core principles: designing out waste and pollution, keeping products and materials in use, and regenerating natural systems. Circular economy is increasingly being recognized as a crucial pathway to achieving sustainable development goals, such as addressing climate change, biodiversity loss, and resource scarcity. Application of blockchain in circular economy is shown in this picture. Examples of circular economy are e-waste recycling, sustainable fashion, renewable energy, circular packaging, product as a service, sharing economy, remanufacturing, upcycling, and modular design. Companies such as Apple are developing robots like Daisy in order to disassemble iPhones and recover valuable materials for reuse in new products. This helps to reduce the need for new raw materials and diverse electronic waste from landfills. Digital platforms as marketplaces for the circular economy is illustrated in this picture. The fashion industry is shifting towards circular models by using recycled materials, designing for durability and repair, and offering clothing rental or resale programs. Companies such as Mod Jeans lease jeans and recycle them at the end of their life. This thereby creates a closed-loop system. Companies such as Apple are developing robots like Daisy. Artist's concept of how additive manufacturing supports circular economy is shown in this picture. Renewable energy. Transitioning to renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power reduces reliance on finite fossil fuels and contributes to a circular economy by minimizing resource depletion. Many companies are focusing on circular packaging solutions, such as using recycled materials, designing for recyclability, and offering reusable packaging options. Coca-Cola is increasing recycled content in its primary packaging and building its in-house production infrastructure. Schematic representation of a sustainable economy is shown in this picture. Challenges of transitioning to the circular economy. Transitioning to the circular economy also poses various challenges. Examples are high upfront costs, lack of profitability in circular practices, higher prices for green products, restructuring existing facilities, uncertainty about economic outcomes, complex materials and recycling, lack of efficient recycling technologies, resistance to change, lack of awareness and understanding, lack of supportive policies, and lack of infrastructure. Adoption of circular economy principles that can help in reducing negative impact on natural resources is shown in this picture. Transitioning to circular models requires significant investments in new technologies, such as infrastructure and supply chains. Businesses may be hesitant to invest in circular models because of the uncertainty about future revenue streams and returns on investment. The picture here illustrates reverse logistics of circular space economy. For more information, contact Astronautics for Exploits. You've been listening to the presentation on circular economy, a paradigm shift from linear take-make dispose model to modern circular economy model by Dr. Ayoshola Ogundele, with the focus point circular economy, evolution of circular economy, examples of circular economy, and challenges of transitioning to the circular economy. Thank you for your attention.